This video will show you how to record how-to video clips using screen capture software in order to increase training efficiency. As prerequisites, you should have a specific topic which you wish to convey to others through your training video. You should also have screen capture software installed on your computer, such as Snagit or Camtasia. By the end of this video, you will be able to set up audio recording hardware and settings, configure the settings of video capture software, and record a live demo of software. Then, optionally, you will dub audio after the initial recording. The process of recording a how-to video begins with determining a specific task to convey in the video, including the value of this task to the customer. You will then prepare microphone hardware and settings, prepare a 1024 by 768 region for recording. This is a good compromise between available space and file size for the final video. You'll open your video capture software and configure its audio and video settings. Then you'll perform a specific task using an MSC software product and capture the process using your screen capture software. Then, optionally, you'll be able to redub the audio that was captured during the process using a tool called Dubit. We're now on our desktop and ready to set our audio settings. You can double-click on the volume icon, which brings up the volume control for playback. Under the Options menu, select Properties, and then Recording, and click OK to get to your recording volume control. This is where you'll select between an external microphone, an external line-in, or an internal microphone, which is what I'm using for this recording. You also have the option to adjust your volume. This will be a trial and error process, as you want to set the volume, make a recording, and then see how it sounds. As you can hear, if I have my volume set too high, it becomes loud and unclear. And too low, it might be hard to hear. So I found this medium volume setting that works well with my particular hardware. Once you have settings that work for your particular hardware, you can close the recording control. The next step is to prepare an area for the video recording. I've set the resolution on this monitor to 1024 by 768 so that I can record the entire screen and yet still have my desired video file size. Next, I will make the most of this area by cleaning up any items that aren't of relevance to the viewer. One thing I can do is turn off my desktop icons if I'll be showing the viewer my desktop, and also hide the Windows taskbar by right-clicking, selecting Properties, Taskbar, and turning on Auto Hide the taskbar. This way, everything that's shown on the screen is of value to the viewer. I'm now ready to open my screen capture software, which in this case I'm using Snagit. Under the Capture menu, we'll set our mode to video. Snagit is great for still image capture, but in this case, of course, we'll be capturing video. Also under the Capture menu, I'll select my input to a fixed region, which is specified under the Properties for input as a 1024 by 768 region. Again, to get the desired file size. Also under the Capture menu, I have output properties, which I'll want to specify. For my video options, I will enable the Auto Configure checkbox, which allows Snagit to choose the frame rate automatically to arrive at a good compromise between file size and quality. Then, under the audio setup, I have the option to choose an audio format and attributes. In this case, I'm using 22 kHz, 16-bit mono, which will take up 43 kilobytes per second. Again, this is a value that we found to be a good compromise between quality and file size. I can click OK, and now my program is configured, ready to do my screen capture. The next step will be opening up the program that I'm looking to capture from. In this case, I'll use SimExpert. Now I'll do this before I begin the video so that I can have a smooth transition in the video directly into using the software, and the viewers don't have to stop and wait. So if this is the point where I want to begin my video, I can bring up my capture software, in this case Snagit, and in Snagit I'll begin by hitting the hotkey that is set to begin the capture. In this case I have that set to print screen. So when I press print screen, I'll then select a 1024 by 768 region, which will be this entire monitor, click once, and it'll bring up my Snagit video capture window. From here, I can click Start, and now I'm recording my video. Now I can do a specific task while I instruct the viewers to do the same. And then, if I want, I can, while SimExpert's doing something, I can hit the print screen button again to pause the video so that I can wait to resume until I have the software the way that I want, so that I don't waste the viewer's time. So I can resume my capture and go through and continue whatever task it was that I wanted to show them in the software. Once this task is complete, I can hit the capture hotkey again to bring up the video capture form, and now I can stop my video if I'm done. Snagit will bring up a preview window where I can see my video and save it. I'll save it in this case as SimX video. Give it a descriptive name and save my file. Once the file is saved, I can close the preview window. The last step that I want to show you is how to take this video that we just recorded and redub the audio. To do this, I'll open the Dubbit program, which is a free download from TechSmith. Once Dubbit's open, I can select the video file that I just saved, which was SimX video. I can now open this video and play it and listen to the audio that was recorded in the initial recording of this video. If I find a portion that I want to replace, I can click the record button, and now I'm recording new audio over the old video. I can pause, go back, and listen to my revised audio. So you can repeat this process and arrive at a more polished final product. So in this video, you've seen some basics of how to record these how-to video clips using screen capture software in order to increase your training efficiency.